Starting an online business can be a great way to work for yourself and build a successful career. Here are some steps to help you get started. Identify your niche, determine what products or services you want to sell and who your target audience is. Conduct market research, research your competition, understand the needs of your target audience, and determine the demand for your product or service. Create a business plan, develop a comprehensive business plan that includes your goals, objectives, financial projections, and marketing strategies. Choose a business name, choose a name that is memorable and unique, and ensure that the domain name is available. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Build a website, create a website that showcases your products or services and provides an easy-to-use interface for customers. Develop a marketing strategy that includes social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and paid advertising. Launch your online business, and continually refine your strategies based on customer feedback and market trends. Starting an online business can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can build a successful and profitable business.